This story highlights an alarming issue that has raised concern about the safety of women in live-in relationships. Despite having the right to file complaints of domestic violence, the lax implementation of the law and inadequate policing has left these women vulnerable, as recent cases have tragically shown. Before we go, please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel so that you don't miss any important update. Regrettably, an incident similar to the Shraddha Walker murder case occurred recently in Mumbai. A 32-year-old woman, Saraswati Vaidya, was murdered by her 56-year-old live-in partner. Her body was also dismembered and disposed of. It is imperative that we reflect on these tragedies and address the shortcomings in our system. In the heart-wrenching case of Shraddha Walker, a 28-year-old woman was in an abusive relationship. She was brutally murdered and her body was chopped off into pieces by her live-in partner. The Domestic Violence Act of 2005 provides relief for those affected by domestic violence, extending its protection to every relationship in nature of marriage. To determine the term relationship in nature of marriage, the Supreme Court has laid down specific requirements. These requirements include holding oneself out of society as akin to spouses, being of legal age and unmarried, voluntarily cohabiting for a significant period, and living together in a shared household. It is important to note that a relationship with a married person cannot be considered a relationship in nature of marriage. The Domestic Violence Act of 2005 provides relief for those affected by domestic violence, extending its protection to every relationship in the nature of marriage. It is very important to know that a relationship with a married person cannot be considered a relationship in nature of marriage. To support victims of domestic violence, the law mandates the presence of protection officers, preferably women, in every district. NGOs' protection officers, the police or magistrate, can provide assistance under the Act, including shelter, medical facility, maintenance and counseling. Last but not the least, open up. All of you who are in abusive or violent relationship should open up so that you can be helped. Stay tuned to Jagran English for more such news and updates.